guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will be showing you, or we will be unboxing new Galvanic System 3. So I actually have Galvanic System 2 before, I think 2 years ago na siya. This is the Galvanic System 2. So I'll be showing you the difference between these two once we unbox the new Galvanic System 3. So Galvanic Spa is actually battery operated. You need to put the battery here, and natatanggal actually to. I'll show you of more how to use this or what is this for once we unbox the System 3. So this is the Galvanic System 3, and so we will unbox this. And then this is the packaging. This is the main device. So we'll take this one out. And then we'll see what's inside the box. So let's see. So we have here the manual. So this is where, of course, all the details on how to use the product. And then, of course, we have this quick reference guide. Yung Galvanic Spa natin actually have 4 conductors. For scalp, for face, for the body, and for fine lines. Ayan, so this will be your guide on how to use your Galvanic Spa. Ayan siya. And then we also have, okay, meron tayong pa-bubble wrap. And this is one of the 4 conductors of Galvanic Spa, or the line conductor. So this one you will use if you have concerns for like your wrinkles, your fine lines, or your laugh lines. So you can use this, and then you have to use a specific gel or a cream for this, which is the line corrector. On our future video, I will be showing you the different usage of Galvanic Spa using the 4 different conductors. And then, oh, we have this. This is the Galvanic Spa conductive gel. So this one you have to use sa body. And then we have a specific conductor for Galvanic body. This one comes with the Galvanic Spa 2. So when I have the Galvanic Spa 2, I have this little pouch, and then with all the 4 conductors. So this is one of the conductors. Ayan siya. This is for the hair and scalp. And then you also have like the one I showed you earlier for fine lines. And then this one is the partner of the conductive gel. So you'll use this for your cellulites. You can also use this here, this side of your face. Kung gusto mo nang medyo contoured yung face mo, and then you can also use it on your belly. Ayan, so may mga cellulites ka dyan, your legs. So you use this. And then the other conductor is, of course, this one. This is the face conductor. You'll use this on your face with a specific gel. So I'll show you more about that on our future videos. This, guys, is actually, I bought this from the US. This one is for the fine lines, and of course, ito yung nakalagay na mismo dito is for the face. So yung packaging kasi natin, it depends on the country or the market where you will avail the Galvanic Spa. So Galvanic Spa is actually available in more than 50 countries, but it depends on what is available package on certain market. So when I had my Galvanic Spa 2, I actually bought this from the Philippines. So I have this pouch, and then of course you'll have a AAA battery, and kasama na to, this one is included in the package. And then you'll have 4 conductors. These are your 4 conductors. And then, of course, our Galvanic facial spa siya, it comes with a facial gels. Facial gels is actually to be partnered with this conductor. So what else? We also have this one. More information about the conductive gel. Mayroon pa rin siyang kasama battery. So I'll show you a quick demo on how to use the Galvanic Spa. So like I said earlier, this one is battery operated, AAA batteries. Ayan siya. So what you do is you just open this bottom, and then meron pa rin siyang ribbon. This ribbon is actually your guide para iipitin nyo siya. Pag naglagay kayo ng battery, iipitin nyo yung ribbon para mas madali nyo siyang kuhanin after, kasi it's advisable to take out the Galvanic Spa battery every after use para hindi makorrode or hindi masira yung device ninyo. Ayan, as you can see, guide on how to place the battery accordingly. And then it's ready to use. So just push this button, the power button. So you can use this in 5 different functions. Actually 1 and 2 is used for facial, and then the rest, that is the purpose of you having this guide para alam ninyo kung anong function yung dapat gamitin when using the Galvanic Spa. You have here a plate. Actually, Galvanic Spa is mayroon siyang microcurrent technology which is unique for age lock. So let's see the difference. So this is the system 2 and this is the system 3. As you can see, the interface, this one is digital din siya, pero mas maganda na yung interface niya. Ayan siya. And then dito naman sa 2, this is your power button. Unlike here, you only have this wording here, the facial spa. Here you have the new skin logo here. The system 3, you only have the new skin logo here. And then of course you have the name here. Ayan siya, Galvanic Spa 2. Meron niyang 2 dito. And then this one, wala na siyang pangalan na Galvanic Spa. Facial Spa na lang yung nakalagay. When you press this, matatanggal yung ano niya. Ayan siya. So you just push this. So pareho lang siya mainly ng function. Itong dalawang to. If you wanna put this one back, ganyan lang siya, guys. Ayun lang siya, guys. So that's it. I think that's it for our video for today. So what's in the box? So you have the Galvanic Spa 3 device, the conductor, the face conductor, and then you have the conductive gel. Yan siya. And then you also have, of course, yung quick reference guide mo. And then, of course, the manual. This one. So yun lang, guys. You can check my next video. I actually did a demo of Galvanic Spa 2. You can check the video here. If you want to know more about the product, we actually have our details on the description, so you can check that one out. So see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching.